Morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tony Mckeage and it's 7 o'clock on Sunday morning. Now I'm at Grange View. This is not the start to the video because there's already been some photos taken already. Now Grange View is one of the places that I take regular panoramas at, but today I'm not going to do a panorama. Today the challenge is about getting more dynamic range in my videos, and part of that is using bracketing to get a wide range of exposures. As many of you know, I use a rule of thumb of underexposing by roughly a stop to get good skies. And I used to use bracketing a lot years ago, and sometimes used HDR processing to get a better dynamic range. But there's all sorts of other processes as well. And so today what I'm doing is I'm just going out and exposing over a range of 6 stops, which is wide. Just so I've got the raw materials to work with other processes, post-processing processes, to get better dynamic range of my stop. So I'm in the Rangitikei today. As I said before, it's 7 o'clock. The light is not fantastic, but it's not a bad day. And it's, for this spot, it's pretty amazing because it's only a subtle breeze and there's a limited amount of cloud in the sky. I can just see Onepuhi over there, but any golden hour is better than any other time of the day, and today is a fair to average golden hour. So anyway, so I'm going to take a ordinary, not a pano, a photograph here, bracket it over 6 stops, and see what I can get from it. Thank you. Galpins Road now, and I've just taken another series of brackets of this vista, which I've been to before. As I spoke at Grange View that I would normally use a pano here, I've simply done an ordinary exposure but taken 7 different shots of that over actually a 6 stop range, if that makes sense. So it's a beautiful spot. Again, a fantastic morning. The light's not incredible, there's just not enough cloud around to have the really spectacular golden hour light, but we'll carry on. Thank you. I'm at Marton Road, and the Marton Road tree is behind me. Unfortunately there's no cloud in the sky behind it, so I've done a bracket. I've done the 7 stop bracket or the 6 stop bracket. It's an interesting morning. The light quality is holding on, but it's just not that flasher light. So very interesting. Thank you. I'm at the Red Sheds on Leedstown Road. Now, morning's not the ideal for the Red Sheds because the light's effectively coming behind them. They always seem to work better with afternoon light, but hey, we'll just give it a try. I've also tried a first time shot just over here across the road of that shed in the distance in the hills. Quite like it, but I have a funny feeling that I should go and get somebody's permission and go for a walk, but I wouldn't know where to start. Thank you. I'm here at the Porewa house, it's just behind me, and over here we've got some spectators. Clouded over a wee bit across the sun and it's got quite dull. So I'm not so sure about this particular photo, but it's in the can and we'll see how it goes. Thank you. The Porewa Church. Again, this is a subject that's usually better in the afternoon, but hey, I've tried it this morning. Mainly by using one of the big trees to shade the sun for the camera's point of view. But beautiful wee church, very historic. Thank you. Onepuhi Road, and just photographed these pair of buildings behind me. And I think it's probably time to wrap this video up. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you've enjoyed the content, please press the like button. And if you want to give me some feedback, do so on the YouTube page by putting a comment there. Thank you.